Okay, let's do this. Guys, today we are doing a new chapter, okay, in SST. आज हम एक नया चैप्टर करने वाले हैं SST में, and it's called Vedic Civilization. ठीक है? Can I ask Sakina to read the title once again? Sakina, क्या आप ये टाइटल पढ़ सकते हो? चैप्टर का नाम पढ़ सकते हो? Sakina, I can't hear you. Can you remove your earphones? क्या आप अपने earphones निकाल सकते हो मोबाइल से?
Vedic
Civilization. Thank you so much, Sakina, for reading. Amazing. तो ये chapter का नाम है, guys, the Vedic Civilization. Okay. Now, guys, I am going to move ahead and I will show you 4 pictures. Okay. On your screen, आपको 4 photos दिख रहे हैं. ये photos जो है, everyone, I want you to keep your eyes on the screen. Everyone has to keep their eyes on the screen right now. Otherwise, you will not understand. Hi, Ankita. Thank you for joining. So guys, there are 4 pictures on your screen right now. Gargi Didi wants you to take 30 seconds to look at the photos very, very carefully and tell me anything that you can say about the people in this particular सोसाइटी. इन सोसाइटी में जो लोग आपको दिख रहे हैं, इनके बारे में आप क्या कह सकते हो? इनकी लाइफ के बारे में आप क्या कह सकते हो? इन पिक्चर से आपको क्या इंफॉर्मेशन मिल रही है? व्हाट इज सम इंफॉर्मेशन दैट यू आर गेटिंग फ्रॉम दीज पिक्चर्स? जस्ट लुक एट इट एंड इन 30 seconds शेयर एनीथिंग. इट कैन बी एनी ऑब्जर्वेशन जो आपके दिमाग में आ रही हो इस समय. ओके, ऑल दीज फोटोज आर फ्रॉम द वैदिक सिविलाइजेशन. ये सारी फोटोज एक वैदिक सिविलाइजेशन की है, सो जिसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे. बट first, look at it and tell me what you are thinking. Shahid, can you tell everyone what we are doing? Can you repeat Didi's instruction?
Yes.
हाँ.
दीदी यहाँ पे 4 फोटो है. उन
हाँ
4
जी.
फोटो को दीदी देख के उन लोग की इंफॉर्मेशन बताना है जो है दीदी वैदिक सिविलाइजेशन.
Correct. Thank you so much, Shahid. Anyone now? Thank you, Shahid, for that. That was amazing. Can anyone share with me? क्या आपको समझ में आ रहा है? क्या लग रहा है आपको ये फोटो को देख के? कुछ भी थॉट्स आपके दिमाग में आ रहे हो?
दीदी इसमें ना ये लग रहा है यहाँ पे ना कुछ ना पंडित हैं, जैसे कि वो पंडित रहते हैं, वो पंडित हैं.
करेक्ट.
और उसमें की कोई गुरु है और दीदी उसने ना कोई किताब लिखी है.
Well done, Anashik. That's amazing. So Anashik is saying that Didi, I'm seeing pandits and I'm seeing that there is some pandit who's writing a book. Well done. Okay. तो क्या हम कह सकते हैं कि सोसाइटी के बारे में हम जिसकी फोटोज देख रहे हैं? हाय अबू. तो क्या हम कह सकते हैं कि जो भी सोसाइटी की फोटोज हम देख रहे हैं इस समय, these people used to write their own books, they used to write things that?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Anashik. That was amazing. Any other observations, guys? Anything else? Look at the first picture. क्या हो रहा है? What is happening in the first picture? Zainab, you want to try? What is happening in the first picture?
Didi, everyone was sitting and listening to Baba.
Correct. Good job. So maybe it's like a class. Maybe the Baba is a teacher who's teaching something. Can I say that?
Yes.
Now, okay, thank you guys. Now can I tag Rashid? And Rashid, can you look at the 4th picture and tell me what is happening in the 4th picture? Fourth picture. Anyone? If not, Hamza, Ankita, Aman, anyone can share. हाँ Rashid, बोलो.
दीदी शायद से ना शादी करवा रहे.
हाँ, okay, शादी करवा रहे हैं. Correct. So बहुत पूजा and all is happening. A lot of puja, a lot of like babas and such things we are seeing, right? Okay, Hamza, you want to share? Hamza, you want to share, beta? Okay, anyone else who wants to share anything else? Okay, no problem. Thank you guys. So what I'm hearing from the class is that दीदी बहुत सारे बाबा दिख रहे हैं, books are being written, पूजा हो रहा है, शादी हो रहा है. So a lot of religious things we are seeing. बहुत सारी religion, सबको religion का मतलब पता है? Everyone knows what religion is. Can you give me a quick thumbs up? Okay, thank you Ankita, thank you Hamza, thank you Zainab for your nod. अबू आपको religion का मतलब मालूम है ना? अबू? Okay. Abu, yeah, thank you, Abu. ठीक है. So I'm seeing a lot of religious activities happening in these pictures. Okay. So we will today, guys, हम लोग आज explorers बनेंगे. So these two kids in the picture in front of you, we will be like these kids. हम लोग आज बहुत explore करेंगे of different things about the Vedic civilization. Okay. And हम लोग अपना दिमाग use करेंगे to make inferences about Vedic civilization. That is what we are going to do. आज हम Vedic people जैसे रहते थे, जैसे उन लोगों की लाइफ थी, उसको समझने की कोशिश करेंगे. एंड वी विल डू दैट बाय बीइंग वेरी वेरी क्यूरियस एंड आस्किंग अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस एंड मेकिंग कंक्लूजन्स. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इन टुडेस क्लास. राइट नाउ गार्गी दीदी जस्ट शोड यू सम पिक्चर्स. इन पिक्चर्स को भी हम बेहतर समझने में स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं. ओके, नाउ गाइज इन टुडेस क्लास whoever gives a good answer and participates in the class gets a trophy. Okay, gets a virtual trophy. Okay, so let's make sure that we are participating and we are making the most of the online class. Okay, amazing. So with that, I am going to share. Just give me 20 seconds. Okay, Miza is also here. Okay, let's start, guys. Okay, guys, how many of you remember this timeline? किसको ये timeline याद है जो हमने 5th standard में करा था? How many of you remember BC AD? I'll quickly stop sharing my screen. How many of us remember BC and AD the concept? Give me thumbs up if you remember. Give me thumbs down if you don't remember. No problem. Just let me know. Okay, Aman remembers. Who else remembers? Okay, Zainab has forgotten. No problem. Hamza also forgotten. ठीक है. No worries. Aman, can you tell me what is the difference between BC and AD in one line? सबसे बड़ा डिफरेंस क्या है? ओके, रोहन राज, थैंक यू फॉर शेयरिंग. ओके, अंकिता. अमान, कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज द बिग डिफरेंस बिटवीन बीसी एंड एडी? ओके, वेटिंग फॉर अमान फॉर 10 seconds.
वो बोल दो, पर आप घर में कराते थे ये टाइमलाइन.
हाँ, पर टाइमलाइन के बारे में आपको क्या याद है अमान?
दो डिफरेंट टाइप्स के नेम होते हैं.
ओके, हाँ, ओके, आई विल ऐड टू यू अमान. सो गाइज, टाइमलाइन में हमने ये पढ़ा था कि दो पीरियड्स होते हैं हिस्ट्री में. वन इज द बीसी पीरियड, वन इज द एडी पीरियड. तो बीसी पीरियड में हम ईयर्स उल्टे काउंट करते हैं. नाउ डू यू रिमेम्बर? वी काउंट ईयर्स एंड इन एडी वी काउंट ईयर्स आगे से. लाइक राइट नाउ 2020 के बाद आएगा 2022. आफ्टर 2022 व्हाट विल कम?
मैं एग्जांपल दूं.
Yes,
दीदी वो दो तरह के होते हैं दीदी, BC and AC.
BC and AD बेटा.
हाँ, BC and AD.
Correct. And in BC, guys, we count years ulta. So 2021 के बाद 2020 आएगा. That is how.
Yes.
That is the difference between BC and AD. Okay. So our Vedic civilization period था. Vedic period started in which year? Rohan Raj, can you read? Rohan, can you read? Which year did it start from?
दीदी स्क्रीन.
हाँ, okay, Hamza, you read.
दीदी 1500.
Correct. And when did it end?
500.
Correct. So how long was the period? 1500 BC से लेकर 500 BC. So how long was the period? Can you do the math?
1000.
Very good. Awesome. You get a trophy for that, Hamza. Very well done. So it's a 1000 years का period. बड़ा लंबा period था. Correct. And इस period को हम कहते हैं the Vedic civilization. Okay. Now, what happened, guys? Why is Vedic civilization even important? क्यों पढ़ना चाहिए Vedic civilization के बारे में? इतना पुराना है. Why is it even helpful to us? क्यों जरूरी है? Because it is important because in this period, something very, very important happened. And वो क्या था? हमारे religions बनना शुरू हुए. Vedic civilization में the practice of religions and all these religions came into existence. इसके पहले इतना religion नहीं था. Vedic civilization के बाद we started having caste system. Do we all know the meaning of caste system? What is a caste system? Ankita, do you know what castes mean? Caste. Who knows the meaning of caste? Come on guys, think. Caste किसको कहते हैं? जैसे हिंदू मुस्लिम क्या होता है? What are these things called? Shahid?
जात,
Very good. जात, correct. Thank you Shahid for sharing that. तो ये caste system शुरू कब हुआ था Shahid? It started in which civilization?
दीदी वैदिक सिविलाइजेशन.
Very good. Vedic civilization. Amazing. That is why, guys, Vedic civilization is very important for us in history, because Vedic civilization से ही ये सब क्या हुआ था? It all started. Is that very, very clear to everyone? Can I go ahead?
Yes, Didi.
Okay. That is why today, guys, we are learning about Vedic civilization. Hi, Ikra. Good morning. We have just started the class. We are learning about Vedic civilization today. हम आज Vedic civilization के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, and we are right now understanding why is Vedic civilization important. It is important because Vedic civilization से ही all the castes and religions started. That is why it's important. And Hindu religion जो होता है, Hinduism, that started in Vedic civilization. So Hinduism का बहुत बड़ा part start हुआ था in the Vedic civilization. Okay, I'd like a thumbs up from everyone if this is clear and we are ready to start the main part of the class. Okay, amazing. Want to see more thumbs ups, guys? Come on, let's keep the energy high. Only half an hour to go. 11 baje we will be done. So let's keep the energy up. Okay, amazing. Let's do this, guys. Now, guys, the objective for today's class is that we will read some text, and text पढ़ने के बाद हम उस पे inferences बनाएंगे. Okay, so we will read some text on Vedic civilization, उसको समझने के लिए, and then we all will discuss and try to make inferences. That is our objective. Can I tag Huda to read the first line on the screen? That is our objective for today's class. Huda, waiting for you to read. Okay, if not Huda, then yeah.
We will be able to use information to make inferences about the people living in the Vedic period.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Zainab. So we will use information today to make inferences. ठीक है? So Gargi Didi has put some text. Okay, guys. मैंने कुछ text डाला है screen पे. This, guys, again, our videos are off. Come on, let's put our videos on. I'm giving a special appreciation to Zainab and Sakinat for keeping their videos on. Good job, guys. And remember that Didi is seeing who's keeping videos on, who's keeping videos off. So please make sure if you're present in the class, you're really, really present. Okay. Unless you have very, very bad internet, then you will engage by giving thumbs up, thumbs downs. Okay. So let's engage. Okay. So guys, what I'm going to do is I'll show you some text. हम different topic के बारे में थोड़ा text पढ़ेंगे, and we will read that text and then make inferences. The first one Didi will do for you. Okay. And then next one you guys will do with Didi. Okay. So I'm going to read the first point. Okay. This point I'm going to read, and everyone you read in your mind with me. So put your magic finger on the screen and let's start. Joint family system was present in the Vedic period. We all know the meaning of joint family, right? Joint family का मतलब हमें पता है. So joint families होते थे in the Vedic period. Okay. The Grihapati, okay, this is a Hindi word, guys. Grihapati was the head of the family, a man who was responsible for the family. Okay. So what did I quickly learn from this? I learned that in the Vedic times, people lived in joint families, and जो family का head होता था, the person who was the head of the family, his name or he was called Grihapati. Okay, and that person was responsible, मतलब उस पे पूरी जिम्मेदारी थी of the family. This is clear. I have understood. So I am going to read the next line. Sorry. Huh.
Yes, Didi, I understand.
Okay, amazing. Yeah, give me a thumbs up if that's clear. Okay, keep giving thumbs ups. I will go to the next line now. Actually, I will now ask someone else to read for me. So can I ask who would like to read this part, the next line? Okay, I'm seeing one hand raised. I'm seeing Zainab's hand raised. Hamza, go ahead. Hamza, can you read the next line?
His family included his old parents, wife, and children, and also the family of children, the younger brother, and their families.
Perfect. Last line.
The family system was patriarchal.
New word, right, Hamza? It's a new word. ये क्या है?
New word.
Perfect. So Hamza, before this word, before this line, can you explain what you understood यहाँ तक? Then Gargi Didi will help you with this line.
दीदी उसकी फैमिली है ना, all parents, wife and children से included थी, और the families of the children, the younger brother and their family.
Correct.
दीदी उसके children में उसके younger brother थे और families थी.
Correct. Amazing. Good. So it was a joint family. So all these members used to live, साथ में was to live together. Now, their family system was patriarchal. Now, I don't know the meaning of patriarchal, guys. So I'm going to use my brain now and I will try to find out the meaning. So अभी तक हमने क्या सीखा है? Till now, we've learned that they were a joint family. इतना हमें पता है. And we know that the head of the family was a man. वो एक man था and उनको कहते थे गृहपति. Now, Gargi Didi is going to show you two pictures. Okay. These pictures are on your screen right now. I want you to look at the pictures very, very carefully and give me a thumbs up when you have looked at the picture properly. एक बार आप picture देख लो, then give me a thumbs up that saying that Didi, I have seen the picture. Okay, then I will give you a question on it. Okay, Huda is giving me thumbs up. Look at it carefully for 30 seconds and then Gargi Didi is going to ask a question. Okay, thank you, Rashid. Waiting for 10 more seconds. Thank you, Karthik. Okay. Now, guys, the question is on your screen. Thank you, Hamza. The first question, can I ask Abu to come off mute and read the first question? First, actually, all three questions. Can you read?
What are two pictures telling me about the position of different member in the family? कैसे कि ये दो पिक्चर में फैमिली में क्या डिफरेंस है?
What are these two pictures telling you about the position of each member? कि कैसे उन लोगों के position थे?
Yes.
उन लोगों की वो थी, status थी.
कैसे दीदी कैसे उन लोग रहते हैं? कैसे उन लोग रहते हैं?
हाँ, okay. Now read the next.
What can I say about the position of women secretary? कैसे कि वो position के बारे में हम लोग specifically हम लोग वन के लिए उनके औरतों के लिए हम लोग क्या बोल सकते हैं? उनकी क्या position है?
Correct. Position क्या है? Now everyone think about the question very carefully. ये pictures को देख के what can you say about the position of women in this family? Now when I say position, what I mean is darja. Okay. What is the role? कितना importance मिल रहा है उनको family में? Look at the pictures very, very carefully and what you see. Everyone think, look at the pictures. Can you say anything about the status of women? जो women की position थी in the family. Can you make a guess? So, okay, Abu wants to try. Abu, go ahead.
दीदी कैसे कि फर्स्ट पोजीशन में वैसे उसमें एक अकबर है दीदी, उनके वुमेन दीदी उन लोग का वुमेन स्टाइल थोड़ा रिच है एंड दीदी जो एंड सेकंड वाला है सेंट एंड दीदी उन लोग का जो सेकंड पोजीशन है वुमेन थोड़ा अच्छे से रहती हैं.
Okay, thank you, Abu, for trying. I will push you guys, okay? Now, guys, look at the pictures. Look at how the woman is serving the man. कैसे उनको serve कर रही है? उनको देखो ऐसे दे रहे हैं कुछ या फिर उनको ऐसे respect दे रहे हैं अपनी. Second picture में देखेंगे तो क्या हो रहा है? The woman is doing this. ऐसे वो जय कर रही है, ऐसे उनको उनके सामने she is bending अपना respect देने के लिए. Can you see that? In the next second picture, look at this picture here.
Yes.
And the man is doing this. The man is giving Ashirwad. Like man is saying, okay, fine, you are blessed. Are you seeing that?
दीदी वो मैन को आशीर्वाद दे रही है.
Correct. नहीं, man उसको आशीर्वाद दे रहा है ना, वो ऐसे उसको ऐसे कर रही है, मांग रही है अपने लिए आशीर्वाद, right? So guys, can you?
पranam.
Yeah, pranam, exactly. So guys, can you can we say that men and women don't, does it look like men and women are equal in these pictures?
Yes, Didi.
How many of you think that in these pictures men and women are equal?
No, Didi.
Okay, give me thumbs up if you think equal, give me thumbs down if you think not equal. Okay, 2-3 votes for not equal. Other people, okay, Rohan Raj are saying not equal, Hamza is saying equal. Guys, think carefully. अगर कोई इंसान इक्वल, अगर कोई दो लोग इक्वल है तो एक जन उसको प्रणाम करके दूसरे उसको आशीर्वाद नहीं देगा ना. Think about it. Men are considered to be as God, right? वो God की तरह उसको आशीर्वाद दे रहे हैं. But that's not really the case, right? If that's not really the case, if you are an equal. So think about it and then tell me. Okay, many people are saying thumbs down. Munazza, do you want to tell me why you think they are not equal?
Didi, I think they are not equal because Didi, if they will be equal तो दीदी जो boy जो है वो girl को आशीर्वाद नहीं देता दीदी. वो दोनों
Correct.
like अगर वो दोनों equally अगर रहते तो दीदी कोई आशीर्वाद एक दूसरे को कोई आशीर्वाद नहीं देता दीदी. वो दोनों
Correct.
साथ में रहते और मतलब अभी and दीदी अगर वो साथ में रहते और दीदी वो साथ में जो है बैठे रहते एंड दीदी they will not be equal like that.
Correct. How many of you agree with Munazza? Give a thumbs up if you agree with Munazza. Okay, 3 people are sharing. Okay, Rashid, would you like to add to that? Munazza, you get a trophy for that. Good job. Thank you for sharing. Rashid, to add? Okay, seems like Rashid doesn't want to add. Okay, amazing. Yes, Munazza, you are very, very right. So in the Vedic period, men were considered to be the grihapati, like wo families ke head hote the, and everyone was below them. Everyone came after the men. Correct? So what can patriarchal mean? Now let's go back to this word patriarchal jo likha hai yahan pe. What can this mean? Maybe guys, now that I know that men were considered to be above women and women were like in the not in the equal state as men, can we say that maybe patriarchal ka matlab hi wahi ho sakta hai that the whole family was like man head hoga, baki sab uske niche aayenge. Maybe patriarchal can mean that men
Yes.
not equal. So
Patriarchal
ka matlab,
means that the man was the king.
exactly, very good job Hamza, again you're getting a trophy for that. Man was the king is what patriarchal can mean, because kya bol raha hai sentence is saying the family system was patriarchal, and then we saw in the pictures also that men and women are not equal. So maybe patriarchal can mean that men were above women, men were considered, unko aisa माना जाता था कि वो women से आगे हैं, women के से ज्यादा है. Okay, amazing. Thank you so much guys for sharing that. That was really, really good. Let's read one more last paragraph, chota sa, and then we will go to the next part. Can I request one brave person to read this last part? Ananya?
In the
Initial.
product there is a
धीरे-धीरे पढ़ो.
there is a miniature of women mention
Thank you.
mention of women scholars like Lompana, Gargi and
Maitri.
Mantri is Vedic literature. However, slowly the restrictions on women went on interesting, and their position in the family and society keep going down.
Okay. Thank you, Ananya. Thank you so much, Rashid. And Rashid, you're getting a trophy. Ananya, you also for trying. Very well done, Rashid. Thank you for helping Ananya. Okay, so guys, what did we just read? What did we understand from this? We understood that पहले के time में in the Vedic period there were many women scholars. Now, who knows the meaning of scholars? Who knows the meaning of scholars? What?
दीदी इसका मीनिंग ये हो सकता है कि जो स्कॉलर दीदी मतलब वहाँ जैसे कि वहाँ का कुछ रूल होता है.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for sharing, Anas. Ankita, add to that.
दीदी आई वुमेन्स लोग पढ़े लिखे थे मीन्स स्मार्ट थे.
Very good. Awesome. Thank you, Ankita. That was really well done. So Ankita is saying that Didi, matlab women log bahut advanced the. They were very well educated, and that is what scholar can mean, Didi. You are right, Ankita. So इसमें ये बता रहा है that in the पहले का period there were a lot of women scholars like Lopamudra, Gargi is also one of them, Maitri. All of these are names of scholars जो उस time पे थे, ठीक है? And slowly what started happening, however, slowly the restrictions on women kept on increasing. मतलब restrictions बढ़ते गए and the position of women kept coming down. So what does this mean, guys? It's saying that restrictions बढ़ते गए women पे and then the position of women in society kept going down. Who can tell me the meaning of restrictions from this line? Restrictions का मतलब क्या हो सकता है? What can restrictions mean? Rashid, you want to try?
दीदी रेप maybe.
बोलो Rashid. Okay. Anyone else who would like to try? Restrictions का मतलब क्या हो सकता है?
दीदी
Hi Saifan. What can? Okay, rape. Okay, thank you Rashid for sharing that. Thank you for trying. Although guys, restrictions का meaning हो सकता है that restrictions बढ़ते गए मतलब maybe उन पे दबाव डालना बढ़ता गया. That's why their position kept coming down. So Rashid, you're right in a way that people stopped respecting or stopped looking at women as equals and they start looking at women as lesser than men. And that's when उनकी position भी क्या होती गई, कम होती गई society में. But in the पहले का period, there were a lot of women scholars like Lopamudra, Maitri, Gargi, who were very famous. And then slowly करके वो खत्म होता गया. And then the society became very patriarchal. Okay. Is this much clear to us? We just read about the families, the kind of families in Vedic period. Is this much clear? Thumbs up from everyone. We read one page of text. Is this making sense? We learned about families, कैसे families होते थे, and what was the position of women in society. We learned two things. Give me thumbs up if this is clear, and then we will move to the next part of Vedic period. Shahid, I want you to keep your eyes on me. No, not a lot of time is left, so let's focus. Thank you, Sakina, Anas, Hamza, Rohan Raj. Okay, seeing thumbs up. Zaid, thank you for joining. Beta, we have started the chapter Vedic civilization. Abhi humne society and family ke bare mein baat kiya. Now we are going to the next part. In the interest of time, Gargi Didi is going to go fast. So please stay focused. Okay, now guys, in this part, we are going to learn a little bit about the kind of houses. कैसे houses होते थे, कैसे वो कपड़े पहनते थे Vedic period में, what kind of food did they eat. We will learn these things in this part. Okay, so now I want someone to read once again. Whoever has not gotten the chance till now to read, would you like to volunteer? Maybe someone. Okay, Sakina, would you like to read?
Yes, दीदी.
हाँ, पहले वाला pointer पढ़ लो. Okay.
The house running the Vedic product were earthen for water and drop stick and twice mixed with mud
Constructions.
Water means women wool strips with were mixed with clay and cow dung. A house was called griha or shala.
ओके, थैंक यू सकीना, इसको थोड़ा थोड़ा करके समझते भी है. द हाउसेस ड्यूरिंग द वैदिक पीरियड, मतलब ड्यूरिंग द वैदिक पीरियड मीनिंग सकीना, हाउसेस ड्यूरिंग द वैदिक पीरियड मीनिंग ट्राई. वैदिक पीरियड के टाइम पे जो हाउसेस होते थे, सो ड्यूरिंग मतलब दौरान. सो houses during the Vedic period were earthen. What do you think is the meaning of earthen? Earthen, Sakina, think about it. Earthen sounds like earth, right? Earth की तरह sound करता है. तो क्या मतलब?
दुनिया.
दुनिया. So दुनिया is earth. Can earthen mean? वो कह रहे हैं जो houses होते थे वो earthen और daub की constructions होते थे. So daub, I don't know, but I know earth मतलब दुनिया. So maybe कुछ ऐसे कुछ जो मिट्टी से बना हो, something that is from the ground, maybe something like mud.
जी हो सकता है जो दीवार पे हम लोग पेंटिंग करते थे.
हाँ, हो सकता है सैफान. और इट कैन बी सम मटेरियल आल्सो लाइक मट्टी, बिकॉज मट्टी हमारे उससे आती है ना, जमीन से आती है हमारे. सो मे बी earthen can mean that also. हाँ, correct. And in the bracket it's written also, the meaning is written sticks and twigs mixed with mud. Sticks मतलब वो छोटे छोटे डाली होती है पेड़ की, उसको मट्टी में मिक्स करके उससे वो लोग घर बनाते थे. So what is it saying? It's telling me sticks and twigs. So मट्टी में मिक्स किए हुए लकड़ियां, from that they used to make houses in the Vedic period. Okay, and what is the meaning of wattle? Wattle means woven wood strips. Now wooden, I know wood matlab lakdi, so wooden strips, wood ki strips.
Women water.
And cow dung, who knows the meaning of cow dung?
दी
Saifan? What is the meaning of cow dung?
गाय का गोबर.
Correct, gobar. Amazing. So cow dung means गाय का गोबर. So they used to use cow dung and lot of lakdi, matti and mix करके they used to make houses from that. Okay, and a house was called what? हिंदी में उसको कहते थे गृहा और शाला. So we'll keep remembering these Hindi terms because it will help us in the exams. Okay, so griha and shala कहते थे. Guys, I want you to look at this picture carefully and notice the house that you're seeing. Look at the kind of house that the people had. यहाँ पर भी देखो, यहाँ पर भी देखो. Okay? Once you have looked at it, give me a thumbs up.
झोपड़ी टाइप.
Yes, झोपड़ी type का है. Correct, Saifan. And what is the material? किस material से बना है? They are using sticks and twigs.
वुड और कच्ची मिट्टी.
Correct.
ऊपर
Cow dung and twigs.
ऊपर भूसा भी लगा, ऊपर भूसा भी है.
Correct. Very good, guys. Ikra, you want to add? Very good job, Abbu. Very good job, Saifan. You're getting a trophy for that. Ikra, add to that.
Didi, I think from cow dung, the house was in raining. House was so warm.
True. Good connection, Ikra. Thank you for sharing. Okay, guys, let's move and read the next pointer about the kind of food that people ate. क्या किस तरह का खाना खाते थे? Now, who would read this one for me, for the class? Can I see some hands raised? Okay, Zainab, would you like to read?
Yes, the diet of the people included
खाते थे.
Okay, Saifan, abhi Zainab is reading. Saifan, Didi has given chance to Zainab, so let Zainab read, then you read the next part. Okay, Zainab, can you read from the start?
The diet of the people mainly included cereals like wheat, barley, and rice.
Stop. What did you understand, beta?
दीदी जो वहाँ के डाइट थे पीपल के.
Correct.
पीपल के वो mainly include. दीदी
उसमें क्या क्या included था?
सीरियल्स थे
Hmm.
और wheat, barley and rice.
Do you know the meaning of wheat and rice, Zainab?
No दीदी.
Rice का मतलब मालूम है? Rice मतलब?
दीदी चावल.
Correct. And wheat मतलब गेहूं, आटा. Okay.
Yes.
बाजरी भी एक तरह का आटा होता है. Okay, so they used to eat all of this. Chawal and atta they used to eat. Okay. Read the next line.
From this they made different dishes. Vedic
Meaning?
मतलब कि दीदी इससे लोग बहुत सारे डिशेस बनाते थे.
Perfect. Good job.
Vedic
people, Vedic people.
Vedic people even enjoyed milk, yogurt, ghee, butter, honey. मतलब कि वैदिक पीपल बहुत मजाक करते थे मिल्क से और योगर्ट से, घी से, बटर से, हनी से।
हाँ, सो मजा करते थे मतलब क्या होगा ना, मतलब उनको अच्छा लगता था खाना, है ना, दे यूज्ड टू रियली एंजॉय ईटिंग। करेक्ट।
ब्लैक ग्राम, यूडेड, lentil, masoor,
सेसमी।
sesame, and meat were also a part of their diet.
हाँ, मतलब वो उनके डाइट में मसूर, उड़द, black gram, meat also used to come. They used to eat all of this also. Okay.
Yes.
Simple, guys. Is this simple to understand? Thank you, Zainab. That was amazing. Good self-monitoring. You deserve a trophy for that. Guys, is this simple to understand? क्या हमें समझ में आया? What the kind of food that Vedic people ate?
Yeah.
Okay, give me thumbs up if that's clear. Okay. Amazing. Okay, I think this was very, very self-explanatory. So we will move. I am not seeing participation from Karthik, Zed, Niza, Aman. So guys, keep giving thumbs ups. Anas Khan is also very quiet. So would love some participation from you guys also. Let's read the third line, which is about the kind of clothing. किस तरह के कपड़े पहने जाते थे. Let's read about that now. So for that, may I request Abu to come off mute and read. Abu, if you're here, may you read the last part?
Yes, Didi. हाँ.
हाँ, Saifan, next page
People-
आप पढ़ना. This Abu will read, then you read the next page, okay?
People in the Vedic period use cotton and woolen garment. कैसे की दीदी
Garment.
गारमेंट कैसे की दीदी जो वैदिक पीरियड के पीपल थे वो कॉटन और वुलन गारमेंट यूज करते थे.
What do you think is the meaning of garment, Abu?
दीदी गारमेंट कोई तरीका का कपड़ा होगा.
Okay, so cotton and wool के garment वो लोग यूज करते थे. तो cotton wool तो कपड़ा होता है, garment क्या होता है? Cotton wool फैब्रिक होता है, मटेरियल होता है, तो garment क्या होता है?
यस
से बने हुए कपड़े.
गारमेंट के.
हाँ, मतलब जर्मन नहीं बेटा, गारमेंट. सो मतलब कॉटन या वुल के बने हुए कपड़े दे यूज्ड टू यूज. करेक्ट.
यस.
हाँ, रीड आगे.
And they also use workers or clothes made from barks of trees. कैसे कि उन लोग वर्कर्स और क्लोथ्स यूज करते थे जो bark of tree से बने थे.
व्हाट इज बार्क ऑफ
कपड़े-
ट्री?
दीदी कोई ट्री का नाम होगा.
Okay, but
Bark.
tree का bark. Who knows the meaning of bark? Which part of the tree is called the bark of the tree? कौन से पार्ट को bark बोलते हैं? Who knows this?
दी सिल्क वर्म के.
नहीं बेटा, ट्री के कौन से पार्ट को आप bark कहते हो? ये ट्री का bark है. Which part of the tree is called the bark?
यस दीदी मेरे ख्याल से मिडल का.
Very good. The middle का लकड़ी is called the stem. जो stem होता है ना,
Yes.
the bark. Very good. So people
Yeah.
used to wear clothes made from barks of trees also. Last line. Abu, read the last line.
मैन एंड वुमेन यूज ऑर्नामेंट ऑफ गोल्ड. कैसे कि मैन और वुमेन ऑर्नामेंट के सोने भी यूज करते थे.
हाँ.
फ्लावर गार्लैंड्स
धीरे धीरे पढ़ो.
गार्लैंड्स स्ट्रिंग मेड ऑफ बीड्स एक्सेट्रा. कैसे
Good.
कि वो स्ट्रिंग जो बीड से बना हुआ.
Perfect. So they used to wear a lot of jewelry also made of
यस.
flowers, garlands मतलब माला, तो फूल की माला, all of that they used to wear, and they used to wear cotton and woolen clothes. Okay.
Yes.
So we've read about their clothing, we've read about the kind of houses, we've read about their food. Now let's make some inferences, guys. Now Gargi Didi is again giving you guys 30 seconds to look at the 3 pictures given on the screen right now. Look at these 3 pictures carefully. Then there are 2 questions that Gargi Didi will ask you to answer after looking at these pictures. Okay, so let's take 30 seconds to look at the 3 pictures. The first picture is of a Vedic house. Second picture is of some kind of food that you found that we could find in the Vedic period. So a lot of spices, masale, dal, all these things.
Yes.
And in the third
And
picture,
कपड़े.
Ji. Correct. And the third picture is basically clothes. Okay, so let's look at pictures. And then can I tag Rohan to come off mute and read the first question that Gargi Didi wants you to think about right now?
Note down some
Similarities.
Similarity and difference between the house in
Vedic period.
Vedic periods and the house you see in village now.
Perfect. So what is the meaning of this one? What did you understand? Quickly tell me.
दीदी वैदिक पीरियड में कैसे हाउस थे और अभी जो विलेज में कैसे हाउस है उन दोनों में
Perfect. Amazing.
डिफरेंट क्या है.
Perfect. Perfect. That's amazing. So Gargi Didi wants us to think about, make compare and contrast between the kind of villages that you see right now. Okay. जैसे आपको अभी दिखते हैं villages में घर, उससे compare करो Vedic civilization के house जो आपको दिख रहे हैं. What are some similarities and क्या same है, क्या different है? Think about it.
Yes.
ओके, कैन आई टैग हमजा? हमजा, आप जो घर देखते हो यहाँ पे आजकल विलेजेस में, वो घर और ये वैदिक सिविलाइजेशन वाले घर में क्या सेम और क्या डिफरेंट लग रहा है आपको? ओके, हु वुड लाइक टू ट्राई? ओके, इफ नॉट हमजा, देन कैन आई टैग अंकिता, खुदा और
दीदी आई थिंक जब वैदिक सिविलाइजेशन में ना घर कच्चे थे, मीन्स लाइक दीदी सीमेंट से बस घर बनाते थे. एंड अभी के विलेजेस में दीदी अभी के विलेजेस में घर ब्रिक्स के बने रहते हैं एंड उसके ऊपर से सीमेंट एंड देन दीदी पेंट डालते थे.
Correct. Awesome. Well done, Ankita. Thank you for sharing that. Anyone else to add to that? Muzna, would you like to add to what Ankita shared? So Ankita said that Didi, आजकल के जो घर होते हैं, they are made from bricks, but these are made from twigs and sticks and wooden things. But right now we have more पक्का घर्स. Okay. Any similarities that you can see, guys? कुछ similar दिख रहा है आपको? Muzna से.
दीदी आई थिंक जो दोनों भी जो घर है दीदी, वो जो है दीदी वो काफी ज्यादा लॉन्ग है दीदी. यानी कि दीदी हमें दिखाया जाता है कि जो हट्स होते हैं दीदी वो काफी ज्यादा शॉर्ट होते हैं. सो यहाँ पे दीदी जो हट्स है वो काफी ज्यादा लॉन्ग है एंड बिग है. तो आई थिंक लाइक जैसे कि अभी गांव वगैरह में बड़े घर हैं दीदी, तो ये वैसे ही बड़े भी हैं.
Correct. Amazing.
And दीदी can I also say add?
Yes.
दीदी कैसे कि इन आई सी इन माय विलेज देयर वाज दीदी कैसे कि यहाँ वो इसमें इस पिक्चर में गांव डक से वो बना है. एंड दीदी मेरे गांव में भी ऐसे ही है गांव डक से. एंड दीदी मैंने बहुत सारे पिक्चर्स भी देखे गूगल पे गांव के. एंड दीदी ऊपर ना जो दीदी कैसे कि ऊपर ये पिक्चर में ऊपर भूसा लगा है. एंड दीदी मेरे उसमें भी वैसे ही लगा है.
Well done. Amazing. Very, very well done, Abu. Thank you so much. You're getting a trophy for that. That was an amazing connection you made with your village. Like if we go to a village area, guys, even we will see houses like that, right? हमें भी झोपड़ी जैसे houses दिखते हैं, right? When we go to our villages. So good connection, Abu. One more question I wanted to think about, guys. We also read about the kind of food that people ate in the village, in the Vedic civilization. So think about the kind of food we eat now and versus the kind of food people ate in Vedic civilization. What is common? What is different? What is similar? Even the kind of clothes that people are wearing in Vedic civilization versus the kind of clothes we wear right now. Thank you, Shahid, for making a connection on chat. हम रह चुके हैं दीदी. Yes, you're right. A lot of us have also lived in houses like that. Okay, couple of responses I will take here. I'm pushing Karthik. People who are not sharing that much to share. Okay. Abu has shared already. Zainab, do you want to share?
दीदी फूड में हम भी we also eat a rice and they also
Correct.
eat a
Perfect.
didi we also eat a milk, drink a milk.
Correct.
We also eat a butter.
Huh? Right. So a lot of things that we eat right now were were eaten by the people in Vedic period as well. Okay, now I'm going to push you guys to think about clothing. So in clothing, guys, हमने क्या-क्या पढ़ा था? हमने पढ़ा था that people used to wear cotton and woolen garments, and we read that people wore clothes made from barks of trees. So what is similar here? What is different here? Karthik, love that your hand is raised. Would you like to share? Bolo, Karthik. Okay, can't hear Karthik. Giving you 3 seconds, Karthik. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Huh. Say.
Didi, the similar.
Karthik, you're on.
Didi,
Say.
the similarity is that they also used to wear cotton clothes, and
Correct.
now we also used to wear cotton clothes, but the difference are that they used to wear different types of clothes like trees from trees, but
Correct.
now we do not used to wear
Correct.
it like
Correct. Perfect. Perfect. If people who agree with Karthik give a thumbs up. Karthik said that Didi, the kind of clothes that we wear, the pattern, the style, the design, that has changed, but the material is the same. Like hum abhi bhi cotton and woolen clothes we all wear, right? But the kind of clothes we wear, like it's different. The style. Okay, seeing thumbs up from Anas, Abu, Hamza. Would love to see more participation in the class, guys. Come on, Ankita, Huda. Okay, Zainab. Perfect. We'll move to the last section of this class, guys. We're going to now quickly read about agriculture and businesses also. हम agriculture के बारे में भी पढ़ते हैं जल्दी से. I know that we're kind of over time, so we'll do this fast. Again, I would like a volunteer to come forward and read the first 2 pointers. May I actually tag someone this time? Can I tag Isa to read? Okay, Isa's hand is raised. Come on. हाँ, Isa, आप पढ़ सकते हो हमारे लिए पहले 2. Isa, you're not audible, Baba.
Agriculture was main occupation of people during the Vedic periods. Means दीदी जो फार्म दीदी बहुत मेन थी लोगों के लिए जो Vedic में रहते थे.
Correct. What do you think is the main
During the
occupation?
Vedic periods,
Isa?
animal life और
Isa, sorry to interrupt you. Can you tell me the meaning?
दीदी बहुत जरूरी.
बहुत जरूरी? Okay, Isa, sorry, you're breaking for me. Okay. Unfortunately, I can't hear you, Isa. Sorry? Okay, Isa. Isa, Didi can't hear you.
Didi, I think source material.
Very good.
Yes.
Perfect. Source. Very good. Source of income. मतलब उससे वो पैसे कमाते. I mean, उससे उनका घर चलता था. So it was a very important occupation of the people in Vedic period. Awesome. Can you now read the next point also if your bandwidth allows it? Otherwise, I'll give chance to someone else. Okay, can't hear Isa. So I'll have to give chance to someone else. Muzna, if you're here, can you read the next? Isa, आप थोड़ा सा आपका network break हो रहा है.
Okay, दीदी.
Isa, I can't hear you right now. I know you're trying, but can I give chance to you to read the last part maybe? Because right now you're breaking for me. Is that okay? Okay, Isa is frozen. Isa, just give me a virtual thumbs up if that's okay. You'll get chance as soon as you have better bandwidth. Okay. For now, in the interest of time, I'm moving to Muzna. Muzna, may you read the second point?
Yes,
Thank you, Isa.
during the Vedic period, animals like horses, cows, and dogs had special importance.
Stop.
Cows
What did you
were used
understand?
as means of
Beta, first stop and tell me what you understood.
Yes, I understood that during the Vedic period जब चलता था उस टाइम पे animals की, horses की, cows की and dogs की बहुत ही एक स्पेशल इम्पोर्टेंस होती थी उनकी. बहुत मींस उनकी बहुत ज्यादा रिस्पेक्ट होती थी उस टाइम पर. बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होते थे वो.
Got it. Fabulous. Read ahead.
Cows were used as means of exchange. That is why cows were highly prized.
Stop.
I understand that दीदी जब वैदिक पीरियड चल रहा था उस टाइम पे दीदी काउस जो है वहां पे एक्सचेंज होती थी मींस दीदी यू कैन बाय माइन एंड आई विल टेक योर्स मींस करके वो एक्सचेंज
एक्सचेंज, आपका मैं रखूं आप मेरा, करेक्ट।
एक्सचेंज करते थे काउस की इसलिए उस टाइम पे जो है काउस की प्राइस बहुत ज्यादा हाई होती थी
परफेक्ट, वेल डन। लास्ट लाइन।
people took special care to ensure that their cows would not be stolen means पहले के जमाने में पहले जब वैदिक पीरियड चल रहा था उस टाइम पे जो चोर जो चोर वगैरह होते थे दीदी वो लोग आकर या फिर गांव के भी जो लोग होते थे दीदी वो लोग आकर जो है काउस को चुरा लेते थे बिकॉज
परफेक्ट,
काउ की बहुत ज्यादा वैल्यू थी सो
करेक्ट।
ये सारे लोग जो हैं ये
इसलिए इतनी वैल्यू रहती थी क्योंकि
हम्म,
उससे खेती करी जाती थी अगर गाय नहीं रहेंगी ना तो
हम्म,
उससे नहीं होती थी खेती तो खाना कहाँ से मिलेगा इसलिए
Perfect. Thank you so much, Stefan. I'll push you, however, to raise your hand before sharing. Really nice to see you participate, but I'm handling.
सॉरी दीदी
No problem, beta. हाँ, continue, Muzna.
यस so उनकी जो काउ
Continue.
जल्दी जल्दी स्टोल हो जाती है तो सारे लोग यही करते थे कि उनकी काउस जो है वो स्टोल ना हो तो बहुत ज्यादा वो मेक श्योर करें वो सारी सेफ्टीज वो लोग करके रखें
Perfect. Perfect. That was amazing, Muzna. I don't think I have to add anything to that. Can you read one more line though for us, and then we will stop and make sense of it.
the horse was valued because of their speed तो हॉर्स होते थे दीदी वो इसलिए उनकी इतनी ज्यादा वैल्यू होती थी बिकॉज अगर कभी दीदी कुछ भी हो जाता था तो लोग हॉर्स पे बैठ के दीदी कहीं पे भी जा सकते बिकॉज हॉर्स की जो है स्पीड बहुत ज्यादा होती थी
Perfect. Okay, Muzna. Okay, read the next line also. Then I'll push you to self-monitor this.
the Vedic people trained horses to use them for drawing and chariots.
Drawing chariots. Drawing chariots.
यस जी सो इसमें ये बताया है कि जो वैदिक पीपल होते थे वो हॉर्स को ट्रेन करते थे to use them for drawing chariots.
Correct.
Drawing. I don't know the meaning of drawing chariots because I think that is something by creativity. So they use.
Perfect. Muzna, I'd like you to pause there for 1 minute. Very well self-monitored. Gargi Didi is now going to ask a question to everyone. Okay, so everyone, this question is for Muzna and everybody else as well. Guys, drawing chariots. I have underlined that word as well. It's a new word for us. Chariots का मतलब हमें नहीं पता है. But what we have understood till now is that Vedic people used to use horses and they used to train the horses. उनको training मिलती थी horses को, and the horses were valued. Valued मतलब उनकी बहुत value थी. They were taken care of. Now why? क्यों? Because they were used for drawing chariots. So I'm going to show you a picture. There's a picture. There's a new picture on the screen. Take 20 seconds to look at the picture and then tell me what do you think is the meaning of chariots? What do you think drawing chariots means? Muzna, okay, guys. You have to write on chat, but not excited. So let's try to put our thoughts down on chat because I would love to hear from as many people as possible. I'm seeing that Shahid has put the time on the chat box. Shahid, we started the class at 10:15 effectively, so that's when we will end the class as well. Thank you for giving me a time check. Guys, let's quickly write down whatever we understand from the word drawing chariot. जो भी हमें समझ में आ रहा है, let's put it on chat. Waiting for people to put on chat. Come on, guys, हमें chat use करना आता है ना? क्या मतलब है? Chariots का मतलब क्या हो सकता है? What are you seeing in the picture? क्या हो सकता है? What are the rat? Okay. Ankita, would you like to come off mute and explain what do you mean by rat? Or is it Rath? I don't know. Rath. Okay, got it. Okay, good. Very good use of Hindi. Okay, amazing. Now everyone's saying that only. Okay, can I ask Zed to share off mute? Rat, I thought. I'm like, from which angle is this looking like a rat to you? Zed, would you like to come off mute and share? Okay, giving 3 seconds to Zed. Otherwise, the chance is going to someone else. 3, 2, 1. Chance goes to Hamza. Hamza, share. Perfect. Everyone is saying Rath. Okay, Sakina is saying banana. Little confused about that. Hamza, would you like to share? What's on your mind? Okay, Hamza has now lowered his hand. Abu, you want to share? Right. Saifan, you're right. This photo is in your textbook also, Shrigita Vidyalaya. Rashid, you're off. Anything?
दी टेक्स्ट बुक के अंदर नहीं, ये जो पहले कैलेंडर देते थे उसके अंदर।
दीदी रेत
अच्छा।
भी हो सकता है, रेत।
Correct. Guys, you all are right. Perfect. So, guys, chariot का मतलब हो सकता है, like you all very beautifully said on chat, it's a rath, right? And किससे चलता है? Who is the one who's drawing it? It's the horses. And that's why in the Vedic period में horses were trained a lot. उनको बहुत train किया जाता था because horses are very fast. They're very fast runners. So they were used to go from different places and they were used by really important people. बहुत बड़े-बड़े लोगों के लिए use होते थे. That is the meaning of chariots. Okay. Now the last line, the last pointer is what we are left with. Then we are done for the day. Now I would like someone to read. I'm seeing a little bit of an energy drop right now, guys. Last 7 minutes to go. Okay, मुश्किल से 7 minutes बचा है. So I would love it if we keep our energies up. I would love it if more of us could turn on our videos. So Isa, Shahid, Ankita, Huda, Saifan, Munazza, appreciating you guys for keeping your videos on. So really, really well done with that. Mahabharat, okay, yes, Mahabharat mein tha ye sab. Good job, Shahid. Thank you for sharing that, guys. More videos to be on, please. Ananya, thank you for turning on your video. Thank you, Anas, Sheikh, Rashid, Abu, Anas, Hamza, Aman, Miza, Sakina, Zainab. Thank you so much. Thank you, Rohan and Raj. Come on, let's keep our videos on. Otherwise, Didi feels like Didi is talking to a screen. Okay, cool. Now, last part to go. Who can read this for us? The last pointer.
दीदी क्या ना है?
Okay, Anas Sheikh, read. Anas Sheikh, waiting for you to start.
दीदी I can't hear Anas. Agriculture was the main occupation of people during the Vedic period. During the Vedic period, animals like horses, cows, and dogs had special importance. Cows were used as means of exchange, that is,
Anas, that is already
were-
done. Anas, वो part हो चुका है. We are reading the last part. This one. In this period, apart
In
from
this
agriculture and
period-
animal husbandry. This one you have.
In this period, apart from agriculture and animal husbandry, several other occupations had also emerged. Artisans
Emerged.
practicing various, they formed independent organization called Shranish.
Shrenis. It's a Hindi word. So Hindi word है Shreni.
Shreni.
Or
The head of the guild was known as Shrishti.
Okay, thank you, Anas. I'll a little bit help you here to self-monitor. In this period, मतलब इस period में, which period? Vedic period. Apart from agriculture, so agriculture के अलावा and animal husbandry, apart from these things, several other occupations also emerged. Okay, so there were many other things that were also happening. Artisans and people practicing various occupations were an important part of the social system. Actually, I'll stop here and I'll ask Ankita or Ikra, any one of you guys, to come off here and tell me what you understood of this from these last 2-3 lines. Whatever you understood, and Didi will add wherever necessary. Ankita, would you like to share? इससे आपको क्या समझ में आया that apart from agriculture, there were other occupations also which were an important part of the system. What can you understand from this?
But
Giving Ankita. हाँ, क्या क्या फिर से बोलो. Okay. Anas, I don't know what you're saying, so I'm going to actually, in the interest of time, give the chance to someone else. Anas, were you saying something? Say again. Okay.
Yes, दीदी.
बोलो.
दीदी दूसरा पार्ट रीड करूं?
नहीं, मतलब बताने में help करो. Okay, 1 second.
Okay, दीदी.
हाँ, tell. What did you understand from this?
Several
Understand from this line. Artisans and people practicing various occupations were an important part. So what
artisans and practicing other occupation had नहीं यहाँ से various occupations
various occupations.
were an important part of the social system. दीदी मतलब ये हो सकता है कि वहाँ के जो आर्टिस्ट है ना, आर्टिस्ट वो है ना प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे कुछ.
हाँ, okay. Now, Husna, help Anas with that. Okay, Anas, hold on.
Okay, so in this artisans and people practicing various occupations were an important part of the social system. Is mean जो आर्टिस्ट होते थे एंड जो दीदी अदर पीपल जो होते थे लाइक जो आर्टिस्ट वगैरह नहीं है वो लोग दीदी जो वेरियस ऑक्यूपेशंस होते हैं मतलब जो अलग अलग टाइप की क्रिएटिविटीज और अलग अलग टाइप की जो काम होते हैं दीदी उसमें वो लोग जो है इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ द सोशल सिस्टम. उस टाइम पे वो बहुत ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट था बिकॉज दीदी सबको अलग
Correct.
अलग काम करने आने चाहिए तो जब भी वो लोग एक विलेज को चला पाते
Right.
इसलिए
Okay.
एक बहुत सोशल सिस्टम था ये एक पार्ट ऑफ द सोशल सिस्टम था.
Correct.
Yeah.
And they very good. Thank you, Muzna. Again, thank you so much for self-monitoring. Thank you, Anas, for trying. You're both getting a trophy for that. Also, one more thing, guys. They formed independent organizations. मतलब उनने खुद के अपने organizations, अपने खुद के ऐसे businesses भी शुरू करे. And these businesses, these organizations were called what? They were called Shrenis, or in English, they were called guilds. ठीक है? And इनके जो heads होते थे, people who started these organizations, they were called Shreshti. Okay, now we're just going to consolidate the last part and then we are done for the day. So couple of minutes more, guys, and then we are closing. Okay, we're going to think of last two questions before we wind up. But I would love it if someone can read this out for us. So Munazza, I haven't heard you read today at all. So Munazza, would you like to maybe read this last 2-3 lines?
Yes,
क्या हम infer कर रहे हैं? क्या inference बना रहे हैं हम?
दीदी दीदी लास्ट वन पार्ट मुझे रीड करना ना. थिंक एंड इन्फर.
Yes.
We will do that. What is a new feature that we can see in Vedic agriculture? Second one is after reading about the occupations other than agriculture, what are some things? What are some things of development that you can point out about the Vedic people?
Perfect. Thank you, Munazza. So the first one, guys, what is a new feature? New feature क्या दिख रहा है that we can see in Vedic agriculture? Can anyone help me answer that question? What do you think is a new feature of the Vedic agriculture? Anyone would like to try? This is a little difficult. Maybe, guys, think about the animal part, right? Animal, people exchanging cows, people using horses. क्या वो आपको न्यू लग रहा है? क्या आपने वो हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन में पढ़ा था? Did you read something?
Yes दीदी. पहले हम horses यूज करते थे और अब हम दीदी cows यूज करते हैं.
Okay. But in the previous, मतलब इसके पहले वाले civilizations में, guys, did we read this? हम तो यही पढ़ते थे ना कि people used to grow crops and then they used to eat. But इतना सारा animals का role नहीं था पहले. Now, in this particular civilization, what we are noticing is that people were using more and more of animals for their benefits. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
only one person is in the class, Munazza. What about others, guys? I know that.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
दीदी.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Rohan. Thank you, Raj. Thank you, Anas. Thank you, Muzna. Okay, cool. Zainab, Sakina, waiting for a response from you also. Zainab, Sakina, Anas Sheikh, Hamza, Aman, you're very, very quiet today. Just guys, make sure that you are aware that Didi is noticing and seeing everything that's happening in the class, and it's all getting accounted in your behavior throughout the week. So make sure you're making the most.
खारगर हिल वो जाने वाला.
Kargar Hill जाने वाला तो ठीक है मुनज़्ज़ा, but in general also you have to focus in class. But okay.
दीदी अभी शायद से खारगर हिल्स कैंसिल कर दोगे ना?
No, I'll not cancel it, Shahid.
दीदी स्कूल चाहिए और इसलिए.
I will no, I will not cancel it. Someone will go, but that someone, if you want to be that someone, you have to behave a certain way in class, है ना?
Didi,
अगर
can
आपको
you
जानना
add
है.
me? Didi, can you add me in all the groups because I was lefted.
Okay, but right now we'll focus on the class. Okay. Okay, amazing. So this is the new thing that we are
हम लोग
learning
पहले
about.
भी गए एक बार खारगर हिल. बहुत पहले हम लोग एक बार खारगर हिल गए थे और अबे नहाए भी थे. जब पानी दीदी जब झरना उतरता था तब हम लोग नहाए थे ऊपर जाके.
Okay, Shahid, for sharing that. Love the digression that has happened right now. Let's come back on track, guys. Last का ही part है, ठीक है? फिर we'll just consolidate. Okay. Any signs of development, guys? ऐसा कुछ new दिख रहा है आपको जो आपको पहले वाले civilization में नहीं दिखा था, हड़प्पन civilization में नहीं था? Anything new that you're noticing? I'm going to give you a hint. This part. I know that the energy is very, very low right now, so you might not be able to guess, but this part. What are you learning about this part? Is there something new that you read over here जो पहले civilization में आपने नहीं सुना था? Okay. Rohan and Raj, would you like to share?
No, Didi.
Okay. Anas, Sheikh, you want to try? Anas, sorry. Okay. Zainab?
Didi, second line.
Hello.
People.
Sorry.
दीदी सेकंड लाइन में दीदी लास्ट वाली लाइन जो है आर्टिसेंट एंड पीपल वाली
क्या उसका
वाली
क्या? What
दीदी
about it?
उसका दीदी उसका हमने ना हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन में नहीं सुना था.
Correct. Very well done. Very well spotted. Amazing job. Zainab, you're getting that. You're absolutely right. Something new that came up in the Vedic civilization was that, guys, alag और kinds of occupations भी start हो गए, right? Alag type of occupations were had also emerged. People apart from farming and agriculture, लोग और चीजें भी करने लगे, and that was called Shrenis, and the people who were the leaders of that were called Shreshti. Okay, now we're done for today's objective. But before we start dropping off, guys, we'll do a very, very quick recap of everything that we learned till now. Okay, in today's class, guys, we just read the key features of Vedic civilization. In the next class, we'll look at something else, but we're just going to do a very quick revision before we drop off. This is the first picture that we saw in today's class. Does anyone remember this picture में हमने क्या discuss किया था? Munazza, actually, can I tag you to share? Okay, go ahead.
Yes, Didi. So, Didi,
Share.
in this recap, तो दीदी इस बार जब हमने फर्स्ट ये किया था तो दीदी इसमें हमने जाना था कि क्या गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज इक्वल है. जो दीदी बॉयज जो वो बॉयज के जो गर्ल को आशीर्वाद दे रहे थे तो उससे हमने हम सबके उससे आंसर से पता लगाया कि जो हम आशीर्वाद एक दूसरे को दे रहे थे तो दीदी आशीर्वाद जैसे कि उन्होंने इसको दिया तो एकदम गॉड जैसे वो अपने आप को ऐसे बिहेव करने लगे थे और दीदी जिसकी वजह से मतलब वो गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज इक्वल नहीं थे.
Correct. So in the Vedic civilization, men were considered to be above women. तो word क्या पढ़ा था हमने? What was that new word? Patriarchal. What was that word?
Patriarchal.
Patriarchal, right? So the families were very patriarchal in nature. Men were considered to be the head. Men को सबसे ऊपर ऐसे position मिलता था, and women were below. Women were considered to be less, right? And families were also joint families. सब family members साथ में मिलके रहते थे. Okay, good job. Thank you, Munazza, for the feedback. Who remembers some information about the houses? Houses के बारे में हमें क्या याद है?
Can I?
Go ahead, Abu. Quickly
Didi,
share. Okay?
the house made of cow ducks.
Cow dung, correct.
And Didi, the house chapra made by bhusa.
Chapra, okay.
And its name is
Okay.
wooden.
Okay, perfect. You are absolutely right. Thank you for sharing that, Abu. Okay, what do we remember about the food? Zainab, would you like to share? What do you remember about the kind of food that people ate? हाँ, बोलो.
People eat milk, butter, rice,
हाँ.
and
Wheat, barley, meat also,
Yes.
and other things. Perfect. Okay. Thank you, Zainab, for sharing that. Now, last one. Houses, sorry, agriculture. What do we remember about agriculture? Agriculture के बारे में क्या याद है हमें? What did we learn about agriculture? Come on, guys. Last one, then we are done. Okay, Abu has already gotten chance. Even, okay, Muzna can share about agriculture quickly, then we'll close.
Didi, what I understand about agriculture is that people do a lot of people have a lot of occupation in the Vedic period, and also the main occupation is farming. The farming is the main occupation that a lot
Right.
of people did in the Vedic period.
Perfect. And there were other occupations also, like artisans and other people started their own organizations. Perfect, guys. With that, we're done for today. Really, really well done, guys. Lot of gratitude to you. I'm giving a special shout out to Muzna, Hamza, Abu, and Zainab for working very, very hard throughout the class and focusing and not losing their focus even once. So really, really well done, guys. You guys are the star performers today. Muzna, you as well. I will push you, however, to join on time so that you can you don't miss the first part of the class. Okay, really well done, guys. With that, we're done. And I'd like you to now drop off and join your Marathi class. Gargi Didi is going to send you some written work today. I'll ask you to write a few things in your notebook. So make sure you're doing that as your homework. Okay? Cool?
okay, Didi.
Okay, bye, Didi.
Okay, bye.
Please join me in all the groups.
Sorry? Yes, yes. I will.
Didi, join me in all the groups.